Hello students, today we are going to start with a new chapter which is totally based on a formula. Children, there is a mathematician which is hidden in you people that is needed to be explored. Actually, it can be explored only and only by practice. Means when you will practice mathematics every day, the mathematician will definitely come out of you. So with this quoting, I will start with the topic for today, that is Heron's formula. So here is chapter 12, Heron's formula. Children, this formula basically is for a triangle in which all three sides are given to you. That sides are denoted by small a, small b and small c. These are the three sides of the triangle. So what we have to do, we are going to write first all three sides. So if the triangle is PQR here, our first side is PQ equal to small a, then second side is QR equal to small b, and third side is PR equal to C. So now after that we are going to write the Heron's formula by this notation. That means area A stands for the area of the triangle, is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. They all are in multiply, but brackets, in the brackets you can see minus sign. So means bracket is to be solved first and then after that is to be multiplied and a square root on that. So this gives us the formula for the area of the triangle. Remember, three notations are small a, small b and small c are the three sides, and S denotes semi perimeter. What does semi perimeter means? Semi perimeter means that half of the perimeter. Means if your triangle is with three sides a, b, c, then perimeter of the triangle is nothing but outside boundary. Means this side plus this side plus this side. That means a plus b plus c. So semi perimeter means S equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. After that, children, once you know the meaning of these notations, then you can move ahead with exercise. So we are taking exercise 12.1 now, and in that I'm taking question number 2, in which you are given a triangular wall, and for that wall you are given the three sides of the triangle. That is, first side is denoted by small a equal to 122, second side is denoted by b equal to 22, and third side is c equal to 120. These are all dimensions in meters only. So this is a triangular wall, and you have to find the rent for this wall. If this wall is taken for only 3 months and the cost of advertisement is 5,000 per meter square per year, yearly you are given, and you have to only find for 3 months that how much rent will you get for that. So for that, now you know that three sides are here, and after that our first step after noting down the sides is to find semi perimeter. Semi perimeter is found by S equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. So add up all these three sides, 122 plus 22 plus 120 upon 2. When you add all these three sides, you will get sum as 264, and now it is equal to 264 upon 2, and that is 132 meter. So what we have obtained? We have obtained S from here. Once we have obtained S, next we can go for finding the area of the triangle. So now area of the triangle can be found by, area of the triangle is given by Heron's formula, that is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under the root. And similarly we note same notation under the root here, and S is 132, then 132 minus 122, 132 minus 22, and 132 minus 120, all are in multiply here. When the brackets are there, it means multiplication is there. But before simplifying, for the multiplication you have to subtract these. 132 will come same, then subtract these two. 132 minus 122 is 10, 132 minus 22 is 110, and 132 minus 120 is 12, and under root on that. Now after this you can either multiply and after that you can find the square root, but that is somewhat a tedious job, means difficult work for you, though you can proceed for that also. But I'll just suggest you for prime factorization because that help you a lot for getting the factors in pair. Main thing is to get the square root, so prime factorization is the best method for that now. So go for the factorization of 132 first. You can see here factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 11, and for 10 we are doing the factors of 132 here, 2 into 2 into 3 into 11, and then for 10 here 2 into 5, for 110 here what 11 into 2 into 5, and for 12 here 2 into 2 into 3. So all the prime factors are obtained. Now we can just arrange them. First arrange one, arrange 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all 6 2's are written here, and we have obtained here 3 pairs, 1, 2 and 3. And for 11 we have obtained only 1 pair, for 3 we have obtained 1 pair, and for 5 also we have obtained only 1 pair. After pairing them, now take out 1 number out of the pairs in order to get the square root. So you have obtained here 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8, 11 into 3 is 33, and 5 will come here. After that it will be 33 into 8 5 is the 40, and if you multiply it will be 1320 meter square. So in this way you have got the area of this wall as equal to 1320 meter square. Now the cost of the advertisement or cost of the rent we have to find. For that, that is given to us as 1320 into the cost was 5000 per meter square per year. So what we have to find this only for 3 months, so we'll multiply by 3 and divide by 12 because this is given as yearly. So for 3 months it will be 3 upon 12. You can do the cutting, 1 upon 4, it will be 3 1 the 3, 4 is the 12, 4 and 1320 can also be cut, and on multiplication of these you will get it as exactly equal to rupees 16,50,000. So this is the cost of advertisement of that wall. After this, children, we are doing another question in which you are given the sides in the ratio of 12 ratio 17 ratio 25. So we are doing that question here. If all three sides are given in the ratio 12 ratio 17 ratio 25, and you are given the perimeter of the triangle as also equal to 540 centimeter. So what does perimeter mean, children? Perimeter means sum of all sides. So let the first side as 12x, second side as 17x, third side as 25x. So you have obtained all three sides here now. Now after this, children, let's go for the perimeter of the triangle. It means A plus B plus C is equal to 540. This is given to us. So A is 12x, B is 17x, C is 25x, and that is equal to 540. So here is the perimeter given to us, and now if you add all these three numbers you will get 54x is equal to 540, and very easily you can obtain x from here as 540 upon 54. This is equal to 10. So children, here we have obtained x now, and now we can easily find all three sides. So what is the first side? 12 into 10, that is 120. Second side 17x it was, so 17 into 10 170 because the value of x we have calculated as 12. And third side 25 into 10 as 250. So here we have obtained three sides. I think rest is your job to find the area of the triangle with all three sides. I think you can easily do. For that I'll guide you that first of all find S, that means A plus B plus C upon 2. and then go for area of the triangle. Be the Heron's formula, S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C under the root. So with this you can easily find this question. It was also a question from exercise 12.1 only. I think it is fourth question or fifth question. Just check in exercise. It might be fifth question, I think. So you can calculate the area of this triangle also. And now we are going to do one of the important topic, that means how to derive the area of equilateral triangle. That is in the next link.